Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I just registered for the Microsoft Build Conference that is officially starting tomorrow with a keynote at noon Eastern Time. So it's a 3-day event. I have registered so I can attend some of the conferences and see some of the things they're going to show. It's going to be interesting also because often we have tidbits of little, things we see in the background, a desktop or a new app that will show up mysteriously. And of course, in the event also of having some content, things to talk about on the channel in the coming days. I think it's going to be interesting. So we'll be looking at the opening keynote, that's for sure. And we'll be browsing through the sessions that will happen within the next 3 days. For those that would like to join, it's free, so you can go online and join the digital event, which is free of charge. So anybody can probably attend as long as you register. So it's going to be interesting. We'll have a lot of things to talk about. It's obvious that it's really focused on AI, so artificial intelligence is going to take a big place in here. One of the things that I would particularly going to be interesting to see also is maybe see more about what's going to happen with Windows 11 and the future of Windows 11. So we're probably going to have some tidbits and news. We are getting closer to 24H2 being at the fall for most of us, but already in RTM mode because all of these computers that are going to be out with the Copilot and the recall feature that I talked about, these are coming out soon as there's kind of a first wave of Windows 11 24H2 for ARM devices. And we, as Intel and AMD PCs, will be the second wave, which will be this fall. And it's going to be interesting because it's the first time that there's two really different dedicated Windows versions. Before there was, Pro and Home and things like that, but these are relatively the same with just minor adjustments. This is clearly two different Windows 11 versions of 24H2 coming out. This will definitely be interesting to watch and see if we can get more info about what's going to come in the future. If you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and the Build conference page is going to be put in the description below, so you can click on it if you want to register for free.